they don't catch container full with tra.ma.dol for Nigeria, my people. Now no go believe her. And this thing it happen for Apapa seaport. And people will grab these people. Now the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency. Una no go believe how many capsules we they talk about. 2 million capsules of TM. No be joke. Oh. I know this one they for inside 554 cartons. I beg, who the wahala don't wear brow. My people, and as I dey talk to Nana, full container, full one dey Nigeria like this. So Naija people, una dey take drugs like this, una like the wobe like this. Hey. Omo, but I no go even blame themselves. I no fit blame una because if we look inside this matter very well, the country is hard. The country is hard. In fact, hardship everywhere. So as una dey see them like this, their only option, the best way to settle things, to calm themselves down, na to go take this thing inhaler. You understand? So that they go dey hyper. Nigerians own too better. Sierra Leone nko. Those ones wey they go take wetin they call a pampers, they go boil am. If una see oh God, after they boil this thing, they go drink am, then their body go make alright. If una see how these people they hide, they say they hide them. I bet make am not just talk too much. For una we never see am before, una never even hear am. Join me, make we watch the video.
This food they take so the pampers 90s.
90s, not any other
thing. Not 90s. 90s. 2 hours. We sit down, we charge per
rest. We buy rest. We buy rest.
On our way to the charge we.
Don't forget about frustration. Now they torment you right now so that the pampers is.
Yes.
That's not the end product of pampers, where some youth man they take right now for make them feel high. The youth man then a salon over the years, but don't they take tin them where they make them feel high like jamba, kush, and tra.ma.dol. But this 2020 bring new products for them, way in a pampers, and it's like the pampers look powerful past the cocaine, jamba, kush, and tra.ma.dol. But how they can feel when they take these pampers?
So man take a like today, look why I show you all the examples. Which I take and today. They sleep 2 days, 3 days. Angry, no say angry in the country. And they remember no food, no nothing. And they live all day till they are asleep. Sometimes I wake back, sometimes I went to a toilet go wake me. I drink boku water, I don't back. I saw pampers they do this.
Hey, una see am. This one's now as they don't take her like this, they go just everywhere go just they shake. In fact, hyperactive every corner. Abi, who invents? Abi, who find out this thing? I need me this person, me and I need talk. How person just no, you don't understand. Like you go just sit down, start to think, waiting for hire me, then you conclude pampers. Abi, make it not be like say because all this pampers company, you need tell us something. No, maybe they put something inside where we don't know. Mad people just full Africa. Everywhere you go, madness don't turn to MTN. Everywhere you go. And as they don't catch this container now, hey, where the girls them? I don't say, una eye don't open, una eye don't tear finish. All of una way been they hype una boyfriends. My boyfriend can last 2 hours. My boyfriend can even take you to heaven and bring you back. Una don't see the results. I don't want to talk about before so that I want to say, I don't spoil on our relationship, I don't spoil on our matter. Now I don't see them. Because they use this thing, you understand? So that una go feed the thing. So now I don't open. Now I don't realize say, my boyfriend no be waiting, I been the thing say be before. Not look me like that because now some boys go start to attack me. Say I don't expose their secrets. I don't this. No be me. I just as they start work, I help them to finish am. You understand? I beg that Indian man, Obodo Oyibo, Mr. Oyibo man, carry this man, question am. In fact, answers need start to dey come out because this 2 million waiting. You know they just go Nigeria for going sake. They don't already get clients where they go. they do business when they sleep. Hey, so because una need question and me they tell us wait why even they waste on time say me myself una supposed to trust me by now. Madam Aproko, I know the waste on time. I don't do my own research. So I don't come save una the stress of looking for finding out where location and all that. Una no need that. Una relax yourself, you understand? I don't bring una the people and the places where una go now and una go catch them red-handed. So make we start from Governor Bala. Mr. Bala Mohammed. This one, una we no even know am, una no even know him matter. Na this one come outside, they tell us say, headsmen need AK-47. Na him talk am, una dey say like that. Na him bring am out. So because una we no even hear am before, watch the video.
And now, because a Fulani man is practicing the tradition of transhumance, pastoralism, he has been exposed to the vagaries of the forest, the animals, and now the cattle rustlers who carry guns, kill him and take away his commonwealth, that is the cows. He had no option but to carry AK-47 because the society and the government are not protecting him. What is his fault? It's the fault of the government and the people.
No, una go agree with me now. Say this one, they take that thing. Una go agree. The kind nonsense where this man they vomit. Anytime where he don't come in front of mic or camera, he dey just vomit the thing. I know. I say, in fact, now I say make I bring us so that una go here with una own eye because it dey very obvious. Say this one they take TM. Next in line, Ngwanu Lai Mohammed himself, Minister of Misinformation. Information. Now this one. The fact this one now they are. Una hear this one before? Customer da-da-mi. Hey, da-da-mi. Now this, and for this one, they sing that song. This is the real customer. This one, he know the no use this one play. He himself, if he don't start the talk, you go they look, you they see him, but you still they find person where they talk. Bombshell. He just they drop him. In fact, he don't scatter Nigeria with all the, I make I no even waste una time. They talk too much. Una trust me now. So I won't make una just sit down, relax on herself. You understand? Because the latest one where this man don't drop now, according to Ram, he say kidnapping happens everywhere. Say that they kidnap people for all the countries. So why Nigeria on go come be special? Say from now on, because make una they adapt. You understand? Make una they used to this matter. Because join me, make una listen to Ram.
Same reason that even in the most developed country in the world, school kidnapping takes place. Last year in the US, we also witnessed at least 3 or 4 school kidnappings. And that is in probably one of the most developed countries in the world. We can't turn all our schools into barracks. What is important to me is the intelligence gathering.
As I dey see this man, now only TM, just dey write for him forehead. Now the only thing where they see, he shock una. This one not even they take tra.ma.dol. This one, he himself, as human being, when I see like this, he himself na tra.ma.dol on 2 legs. Now this man, I bet next in line, because Sanwo-Olu. Now papa be this, so all of una we no say una put am for that seat. Una remember NSAS period. Now this man come outside. Shame no even do am. He come outside the open mouth. There were no live bullets. We did not. They did not kill people with live bullets. They don't. Meanwhile, in own army people, because all of them belong to the same kitchen. You understand? In your own person, I come outside tell us say they were live bullets. They shot people with live. Tra.ma.dol in action. I don't know which other proof una still they want, but if una want make I continue, who am I to say no? Make we enter Aso Rock. Ngwanu, this one at the headquarters. In fact, this one na the make I not even talk wetin wan come out next. You understand? I beg. All of una we no say now na duty to dey catch people. I don't bring una this one Aso Rock headquarters. So una see that gate, that main gate. As una don't reach there, no stress una self too much. Go straight. The first door where una go. The first door where they greet una, hello, what's up? Enter that door. You take your right. That your right, you go see one staircase like that. Climb am. When you reach upstairs, take your left. You go see that door where they paint white. Ngwanu, enter there. Hey. You go there shock. The kind you understand me? No, I no go talk anything. I just a direct. Before I go come talk tomorrow now. Hey, Madam Aproko, now you talk this one. I beg, I no talk anything though. I just a direct them. You understand? Make why not they do like this? I they make their work easy. Last but not the least, the owners of Nigerian themselves, Northerners, una need go check these people. All of them. Every northern house for the northern part of Nigeria. Even the ones wey don live northern part of Nigeria, but they be northerners anywhere where they stay. Make una start dey check their houses, especially that Buhari hometown. You understand? E dey very important. No, I no dey laugh. E dey very very important. We need start to dey check because I dey sure say at least one or two we go find, because matter even reach me say their wives dey use TM as Maggi. They just dey if una see how they cook everywhere. My people, see, everybody now, as I dey talk to now, everybody dey craze there. All of them they crazy, they weary, anyhow weary. Starting from governors, politicians, kidnappers, bandits, rapists, even citizens themselves. OT, you understand? And also now the come they ask me, Madam Aproko, citizens, I think say they support us before. And they support us as citizens, but my people, we know say it get some citizens, their own be even high. They take TM as mad people. If not, make you tell me reason why, as we they complain of Buhari, may they remove her. Some citizens, na them even they support them. They still they attend meetings where they call for. They still they support. So what you will call that one? You know they obvious. Say these people they take something. Bia drug enforcement. I be waiting una they call yourself. I know if you prolong that long name because una get plenty work. Oh. This talk where I can't talk here, I not just talk and so that una go they look me. I don't bring una work. Make una start. No action. On your mark, get set, go. Go start the look for these people. I don't see if you not remember the names where I call. Go back. This video, go back, start it so that you go all the corners. We need find out who be the clients of this Indian man, so that we go know where we start this arrest from. You understand? Very, very important. My people, make una drop this comment for that comment section, because I know say as I don't drop this one now, many of una go dey against me, some of una go dey for me. But anyhow, still drop and there, go reply una one by one. And make sure say una share this video, because all these people where I mentioned, they need hear my voice. Very, very important. And that Indian man need confess. You understand? Yes, and subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss everything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.